it's Lydia. If you're new here, hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the new Lululemon running sneakers. This video is going to be an unboxing, but I actually have been trying these out for the last 30 days. On Lululemon's website, they have a 30-day return policy for trying out these sneakers. So I thought for this video, I should give you guys the rundown on what to expect for these shoes, whether it's worth it, and if I'm going to be returning them. So to start out with, this is Lululemon's first pair of shoes. So these are the Lululemon Blissful Running Sneakers, and I got them in the black color. I'm gonna insert a couple clips of me unboxing them when I first got them. But I did keep the box, and they actually got delivered an hour and a half away from my house, so I almost didn't get them. Now, the price point is very high for a typical just solid running sneaker. I paid about $250 for these. I have very high expectations and was expecting very good quality. As you can see, they are beautiful. Now, like I said, I have been wearing these for the last 30 days, so right now this is the condition they're in. I've been using them as a running sneaker as well as a work shoe. So I've been wearing these for 9.5-hour days back to back, and also going for long runs to get my overall actual opinion on these sneakers. First of all, these do come in a bunch of different colors. When I was deciding between what colors to get, I was kind of disappointed in the options. I love the look of the solid, just all one color sneaker. So they have gray, white, I think they have a beige, but I didn't love the other color options. They didn't have just a solid pink. They had a black and then a mix of a color. For the colors, I think they do need a couple more options. So now in terms of style, they have the little black logo on the back. They have the logo on the front here. They have the logo on the inside lip of the shoe, and then as well as the middle. The shoe's built with a rubber texture all around the side. It's a little squishy, but it is very dense. And the top middle here is very airy. Your foot doesn't feel like it is confined the entire time. It does have a lot of airflow, so you're not getting stuffy. The rubber part is great because it makes it easier to clean, but I have noticed they are scuffing pretty badly. On the bottom, you can see there is quite a bit of wear. So I don't know how long these are going to last long term, considering this has only been a month of wear. They do definitely scuff. Comfort-wise, these shoes are amazing. They really are the perfect shape for running. They have lots of support. They don't have as much support in the middle that I think I would like, but this part doesn't tug on the back of your foot. This part, your foot slides into really easily. But where the laces tie, I do notice sometimes when I'm running, my ankle will tug along this part, which can get uncomfortable. Another really huge thing that you need to be aware of before buying these shoes is you definitely need to size up half a size. I didn't read the website what to know before I got these, but you definitely should size up because the way the shoe is, so I have a narrow foot. I even noticed the sides here though, they are very, very narrow. So if you have wider feet, you definitely need to size up because these shoes do run a little bit small. I went onto the website and they even mentioned that on there for your dimensions. Size up in these shoes if you want to be comfortable. Overall, I do absolutely love these shoes. They are really good for running. They're airy, they're comfortable, they're super cute. They are starting to wear even after 30 days, but I am wearing them for more than just running. These shoes are a really great option if you're looking for a really good go-to running sneaker. And I'm really excited for them to release another collection, but I definitely do recommend these. Even when I first got these, I didn't have that uncomfortable first time wearing a shoe kind of feel. It just felt so easy to just start wearing. I didn't have that uncomfortable feeling for the first while like most sneakers do. Yeah, so if you're looking for a good running sneaker, definitely recommend these. And like I said, they do have that 30-day trial period. So even if you don't like these, try them out and see if they work for you, honestly, because they might just be your new favorite shoe. I hope I helped you make your decision on whether or not to buy these and what to expect before. Comment down below what color you would order these sneakers in and what your favorite running sneaker is. I'm always open to new suggestions. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Make sure to follow my Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video.